Tired of seeing a list of Facebook accounts every time you open the app, especially on a shared device? This video shows you how to remove an account from that login screen, boosting your privacy and preventing accidental logins. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone or tablet. You should be at the screen that displays all the logged-in accounts. Find the account you want to remove. Next to its name, you'll see 3 small dots, sometimes referred to as an ellipsis. Tap on those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up. Within this menu, you'll see the option that says Remove Account from Device. Tap on this option. Facebook will ask you to confirm your decision with a pop-up window. It will say something like, "Are you sure you want to remove this account?" or similar wording. In the confirmation window, find and tap the Remove button. This will finalize the removal of the account from the login screen. And that's it. The account is now removed from the login screen. You'll need to enter the password again if you want to log in with that account in the future. Remember, this only removes the account from the login screen on this device. It doesn't delete the Facebook account itself. You can still access it from other devices or by logging in again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips on Facebook privacy and account security.